Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to fix your controller that keeps disconnecting on your Xbox One. So the first thing that we should do is just check to see if there is an update for the controller by going to settings and going to devices and connections, and then go to controller and headset. And this may take a little bit of time to load this page, but then we want to go to the controller and go to more options down here at the bottom. Now we can go to update available right here, and then update our controller. And it's going to allow you to update the controller wirelessly. So just see if this works by applying an update. So it looks like the update is 100% and there's no update, and my controller is like flashing right now. So if this doesn't work, what we actually want to do is resync the controller completely. So to do this, flip over the controller and hold down the sync button right here, and hold this down for about 10 to 15 seconds. Keep holding it down so the controller is going to flash, and eventually you're going to feel two rumbles and the controller is going to completely turn off. So it's rumbling right now, the controller turned off. Now if I press the sync button and I turn on my controller, nothing's going to be happening because it's disconnected from my Xbox One, and I have to completely resync this. Now there's a couple ways that you could resync this. The first is by using a USB cable, and if you are having problems with your controller disconnecting, you can simply just try playing with a USB cable. This is the easiest way, just to ensure that you have a good connection. So I plug this in and my controller is now connected, and I don't have to worry about it disconnecting, and it is resynced. Now the other way that you can resync your controller is by holding down the sync button on the controller and then the sync button on the Xbox, so under the light right here. Hold both these down at the same time and hold them down for about 5 seconds together. And then after about 5 seconds, you can let go, and you'll notice both the lights are blinking at the same time, and the controller now will be synced. So you could try that as well. Otherwise, you could try just turning off the controller. You could either take the batteries out of it, otherwise hold down the Xbox button right here for about 10 seconds and the controller will manually shut off. So the light is off now. Now I can just try turning it back on. Now another thing that you should consider is turning off your Xbox One completely and then waiting like 1 to 2 minutes and clearing the cache. So let's completely turn this off. Turn around my Xbox and just unplug it from the wall outlet for 1 to 2 minutes. And then we can plug it back in and turn it on and just see if turning off the Xbox fixes the issue as well. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.